y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen, and in this video I'm coming at you with another wig review. Wequeen sent your girl another headband wig. So in the box you'll receive a set of free headbands, and this is set 1. So in set 1, each headband has a different pattern to go with any look you desire, and they're really cute headbands. They're colorful and they're not plain old, solid colors, so they definitely give you an opportunity to spice up whatever hairstyle or outfit you're wearing that day. So that's what I really like about these, and other companies don't even send free headbands, so that's definitely an advantage with shopping with Wequeen. They give you the option to choose out of 3 sets. They also give you a package of wig caps, a card to redeem a special gift, and a satin bag for you to store your wig in. As you can see, I already did my edges off camera, so all I have to do is put on the wig. The wig that I received is the 20-inch water wave headband wig. The texture on this hair is so soft and flowy, and it just looks like beach waves. The cap construction has 4 combs in it, 1 in the front, 1 on each side, and 1 at the back close to the nape of your neck. This wig also has adjustable straps and the Velcro attachment on the headband. The fit of this headband wig and all the headband wigs that I've tried from Wequeen are very comfortable. Because the cap is stretchy, you can pull the wig over your hairline and edges if you just don't want to be bothered with your edges that day, or you could push it back if you want. As you can see, I'm already getting into the install of this wig. So I tied it up in the back just so that once I attach the Velcro, the hairs don't get caught in it. And once that's done, I'm basically ready to go, and the wig is styled and done. Because this is water wave hair, all I had to do was finger comb the hair just to fluff it out and give it a little bit more volume. And I went in with the curling iron to flatten out the top of this hair, and that's all. Alright y'all, so I have a discount code for y'all for not 15, not 16, but 17% off on your purchase from Wequeen. So if you want that 17% off, use code Morgan17 at checkout. This code doesn't do anything for me, but it's just a way for you to save money. So if you are interested in this wig or any wig on the site, definitely use code Morgan17. So I'm going in with one of the headbands that I showed you guys earlier that Wequeen sent in the box. This headband is really cool because it has the buttons on the sides so that when you wear your mask, you can put the strings of the mask on the buttons rather than putting them on your ears, because I know that gets annoying and it starts to hurt after a while. And if I get annoyed, I know some of y'all get annoyed. So I just think that's really cool. So here's the finished look. I am so in love with how this hair turned out. I was a little worried because I didn't know how this hair would blend with my natural hair, but it looks so good. And I don't know about y'all, but this hair is definitely giving beach vibes, vacation vibes, or just a very effortless natural look. So if you're trying to look like a beach babe, definitely check out my description box for more information and use code Morgan17 for 17% off. Let me know if you're getting the same beach vibes in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the B-roll because this is definitely giving. If you want to see more headband wig videos, check out the playlist on my channel with all the headband wigs that I've tried so that you can see which one you want to try and all the different styles that are out there. If you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, don't forget to comment down below, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a new upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely check out the description box for more information on this wig, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.